recently I attended a workshop that was on intellectual property rights, and I got to learn a lot about intellectual property rights. What are patents, what are trademarks, copyrights, and everything. Personally, me being a writer, I write my own stories, so I got to learn more about copywriting, how I can protect my work and how I can protect my rights and uh, make sure that my work is being presented to the masses as well. So was so that presented this workshop and conducted the workshop was very good. The communication was seamless and I had a great time and I got to learn a lot from that sir. So that was a great experience. Thank you.
I recently attended a workshop about IPR and I got very deep knowledge in trademark, patents, copyrights, and it was very nice session for me and it was very good experience for me. Thank you.
We recently had a workshop on IPR, and this sir that came for the workshop taught us different terms like trademark, copyright, patent. He gave a very nice presentation, which was very easy to understand, and he had really good communication with all of us as a whole. And we really enjoyed the whole session, and it was really informative for all of us. Thank you.
I recently attended a workshop on intellectual property rights and patents. In that workshop, I got to learn about how we can protect our products or service. And as a content creator, I also got to know about how I can actually protect my content or the music I produce. And it was a very good and informative session with this sir. And thank you so much.